In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Davinci Resolve and manage your projects with ease. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just getting started, understanding how to efficiently manage your projects is crucial for staying organized and maintaining a streamlined workflow. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you want to make sure you have Davinci Resolve open and ready to go. This powerful video editing software is brimming with tools and features that can be a bit overwhelming at first glance. But don't worry, we're here to focus on one simple task today: deleting a project. So let's start by opening Davinci Resolve on your computer. If you've been working on a few projects, you should see a list of them on your screen, giving you easy access to what you've been working on recently. Next, direct your attention to the lower right-hand corner of the interface, where you'll see a few icons. You're going to look for the Home icon. This icon is your go-to for returning to the main project management page, where all your recent projects are listed. By clicking on the Home icon, you'll be taken to a view where your projects are laid out neatly, and you can easily manage them from here. Now, once you're on the home page and can see the projects you have saved, find the project that you want to remove. Perhaps it's a test project or something you no longer need. Whatever the reason, project management is all about keeping what you need and getting rid of what you don't. And that's what we're focusing on today. So, locate that project you'd like to delete, take a deep breath, and get ready to move it to your digital recycle bin, so to speak. To delete the project, you'll simply need to right-click on the project's thumbnail or name. Doing so will bring up a menu with several options. Carefully choose the Delete option from this list. Davinci Resolve will then prompt you with a message to confirm if you really want to delete this project. It's a safety measure just to make sure you don't accidentally delete something important. Once you're absolutely sure, confirm the deletion and the project will be removed from your library, and that's all there is to it. You've now successfully navigated Davinci Resolve's project management page and cleared away an unwanted project. This small task can help keep your workspace tidy and your mind focused on the projects that really matter to you. It's important to routinely clear out old or unnecessary projects to keep your workspace organized and your software running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides on making the most of your video editing journey with Davinci Resolve.